In the bustling heart of Silicon Valley, a former faculty member and program director of a supercomputer institute during the 1980s and early 1990s, Dr. Hwa A is charting the course of high-tech business strategy. Educated in the UK and the US, and with a doctorate in the sciences and an MBA in business administration, Dr. Lim is uniquely positioned to navigate the ever-changing world of high-tech business. Central to Dr. Lim's strategy is a concept that is both simple and profound: the form-function table. This 4x4 matrix is a navigational compass for businesses in the digital age, with the columns representing the four functions: generation, processing, storage, and transmission, and the rows representing the four forms: data, text, sound, image. Think of the computer, which began its journey in the realm of data processing, or the telephone, which found its initial footing in the sound transmission sector. These are examples of how the form-function table can be used to chart a business's course. Dr. Lim takes us on a journey through each form. Data, he explains, is more than just facts, numbers, letters, and symbols. It's the raw material that can be processed by a processor. IBM, for instance, started as a data entry business. Then there's text, which includes machine-printed language, handwritten notes, and voice recognition printouts. Search engines began their journey in the text processing quadrant of the form-function table. Next, we have sound encompassing voice and music, and the technology used to handle this information. The telephone industry, for example, began in the sound transmission sector of the form-function table. Finally, there are images, such as photographs, paintings, or visual forms. The pinhole camera, for instance, started in the image generation quadrant of the form-function table. In the modern era, scanned texts or data can also be treated as images. YouTube, for instance, operates in the lower right quadrant of the form-function table. In conclusion, Dr. Lim's form-function table is a strategic tool that provides a clear map for high-tech businesses to navigate their way through the digital landscape. It's a framework that has guided some of the most successful businesses in the world, showing them how to harness the power of data, text, sound, and image in the generation, processing, storage, and transmission of information. Dr. Lim's form-function table is not just a compass, but a beacon, guiding businesses through the ever-evolving digital age.